Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check the serial number on ACER Predator 17. So to check the serial number, just flip your laptop over because it'll be at the back of your device. And now you can see the serial number. I know it's upside down, but this is the serial number and this is the SNID, which sometimes is enough. Sometimes you'll be asked about the serial number, but if you want to install drivers, for example, you may need to enter the SNID because it's shorter and it basically gives sometimes gives the same information that's needed in case of the in case you're asked. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.